Hey everyone, welcome back. Guess where I am? I am out on a tour, currently filming a series of Harvest Hosts. Harvest Hosts is an organization that you pay money for and you can go and stay at hundreds, maybe even 1,000 different places all over the continent, which is pretty badass if you ask me. But anyway, this is one such spot. Little glance, a little teaser. This is my first stop on this tour. This tour is going to last 1 month and it's going to cover 17 different locations in eastern, southern Ontario. I'd like you to come along, it'd be fun. We might get some great views. There might be a couple of hikes in there. There might be some camping in the middle. I'm going to do another series on some camping that I'm doing. But yeah, and I'm parked right in front of the stage. Check this out. They told me to park here. Hey, if I get bored, I'll just get on stage and start playing.